Hi, I'm Amar Sechan. I'm going to show you today how to make a circle graph in Excel. Here in my example I have a medal count by countries. I have column for countries and I have column for medals. I'm going to highlight the whole thing and then go toolbar and click on the chart wizard button. Gives me an options of which kind of chart I want to use. I choose pie chart, and you can use any of these, but I'm going to use the first one. Click next, click next, chart title, medals by countries, and finish. Oh, I know why it wasn't giving me a category X, because it's a pie chart. There is no X and Y. We just have a pie. So blue one represents USA. You can hover over it and it gives you the value of 81. Yellow is Russia, 56. Red is China, 78. And that's how you create circle charts in Excel. I'm Amar Sechan. Thank you for watching.